Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to share Spotify profile link on iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to go to your Spotify apps and then tap the gear icon in the top right in the corner of your screen. After that, tap on view profile here. Then tap the three horizontal dots in the top right. And the next tab, hit share. And you can choose which platform you want to share with. And for another platform on your phone, tap on more, mail, airdrop, Instagram, drive, and etc. And here I'm gonna try share to the drive. After that, just tap on upload at the top right in the corner of your screen. It's uploading and done. So yeah guys, just it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.